I wanted to do a New Year's Eve eyes and lips tutorial. If my lips look red, it's because I just filmed a different tutorial and had to take the makeup off and it just didn't necessarily want to all come off. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So this is kind of, I'm personally thinking like a New Year's Eve party. So I think the first color that I'm going to start with is Yes. And I'm just going to put that on my lids. So now I'm going to take a Elizabeth Mott blending brush and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out with sparkles even though you don't normally do that. So I'm going to take a little bit of Ember and I'm going to blend out with that. I kind of just want to keep this entire look kind of shimmery. So now I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm going to take Hola and I'm going to use that under my eyes, just about halfway. Then I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush and I'm going to take Iconic and I'm just going to use that to highlight. And while I'm doing that, I want to highlight my face a little bit more. So I'm going to go back and take a blusher brush and I'm going to take this sparkly highlight and I'm just going to kind of add a decent bit of that on my cheeks, just so that they shine. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my mascara, the Marcella Extension Plus Girl, and I'm going to put that on my tops and my bottom lashes. Okay guys, so I'm going to attempt something I've never done. I'm going to attempt false lashes. So I have the Tarte Wifey lashes and yeah, I've never done these at all. Oh, it says they can be reused, so that's kind of cool. That's good to know. So I'm going to try and like pull these out. And yeah, I'm just kind of gonna, I guess, take them off the base and oopsies. You guys know I drop things like constantly. So I feel like that'll fit my natural lash line fairly well. So what I've seen people do is basically take these and take some of the glue, which I have the Tarte glue for these as well, and it's in black. So from what I understand, you just kind of put the adhesive on the lashes, like on the end here. And then you press them on, I guess. So I'm going to try and do this. We'll see how well it goes. Okay, maybe I have these. Do I have these upside down? Do they go this way, you guys? Okay, I think I have them upside down. So I'm thinking these might be a little too long, but I don't have any scissors right now, so we're just gonna try. I guess, do I take a little bit more of the glue if it's not sticking and stick it on there? I don't know. Is any of this remotely right, you guys? Because I've never done this before in my life. Okay, well, I don't know if that's right at all, but it seems to be applied. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Okay, y'all, so I've never used these before, as I said. All I see are like giant black things on my eyelashes, but I think that I got these on right. You guys can let me know. I think for a first application, this is not bad. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top back on this and do the lips. So for the lips, I am going to be using the Zoella ColourPop in Self Love Club. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lips. So this, you guys, is the finished look. Let me know if you know how to put on false lashes, if I have these on right, because all I feel is glue on my eyelids and all I see are like giant black fuzzy things on my eyes. But yeah, this is a finished look. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. And I will see you guys later, and Happy New Year. Bye guys!